Hey everyone. So making a quick video about my herniated belly button or an umbilicus hernia, which I've had for probably 10 years. I have four boys. My youngest is 6. So within the last few years, I've really started to thinking about getting it taken care of. So I went ahead and made a consult last week, and she's like, yeah, we can do it on Tuesday. So I'm gonna do it. I guess the recovery is 6 weeks, and I can't lift anything heavier than 10 pounds, I think. I'll confirm all of that with her tomorrow when I go in. But yeah, so just making this little kind of testimonial about my experience in case somebody else is curious. I'm 38, I have 4 boys, and I had very forward front explosive pregnancies. So probably after my second, I noticed that I had some things coming out of my belly button. Not really things, I just had a bubble. And my midwife said, oh, that's a hernia. And then knowing I was going to have more kids, I never did anything about it. But now that I'm done with kids, I am going to get it fixed. So I thought I would just share my story and show you guys what it looks like right now so that tomorrow or in the next week or two, whenever I update this, you can see the difference. So you'll see also I have stretch marks, but here's my herniated belly button. It just kind of pokes out like a bubble. And if I, there, it's kind of like that. So I kind of always look like I have this little thing bulging out of my stomach. But the real reason that prompted me to get it done and fixed now was that I am going to be getting my diastasis fixed, which I can show you that too, I guess, for moms that are watching this. So I try to keep my stomach held in most of the day, but if I really wanted to let it out and just relax it, this is what it looks like. You see that? And if I lean forward, so most of the time I'm walking around like this because, yeah, I don't want to look like I'm 3 months pregnant all the time. So between the stretch marks and diastasis, I decided to get a tummy tuck. And when I met with my doctor, the plastic surgeon, he's like, hey, your herniated belly button is a little bit bigger than I'd like. I could make your stomach a lot tighter. And then when I go, so get it fixed first and then come back 6 months later or whatever, a year later, and I'll do the tummy tuck, and I'll be able to do it so much tighter than if I fixed the umbilicus hernia at the same time as I did the tummy tuck, which I didn't realize because the other couple doctors I had consulted with, they just said they would do it in the surgery. But he said, yes, I could do it, but I'll be able to get a tighter, pull through here if you have it fixed and healed first, which actually made so much more sense. He's like, if I do it at the same time, it will work, but I won't be able to make it as tight, like the wall of my stomach, because of all that added pressure. He's like, I would be a little more careful with how tight I made it. So for those of you that are thinking about doing the surgery at the same time, maybe consider talking to your doctor about doing them separate and if that would change, any of your results since it's such a big surgery. So I'll be updating you guys in my next video on my post-surgery feelings and all this other stuff. All right, bye.